Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Vanessa. She back and she better. So as you guys can tell from the title of this video, I am going to be showing you guys how I edit my YouTube covers intro. Okay, a lot of you guys have been asking me like, how do you do it? Like, can you show us how you do it? So today I am going to show you guys how I do my intro for my YouTube covers, because a lot of you guys have been interested in this. So as I said in my previous video, I do not do this on my iPhone, so I'm really sorry about that, but I'll figure out a way to do a YouTube cover intro on my iPhone. If you guys want me to make a video on that, definitely comment down below. But today I'm going to bring you guys over to my desktop and show you guys how I do that on Final Cut Pro. If you do not have Final Cut Pro, I will find a different alternative soon, so please give me some time. So for those of you who have Final Cut Pro, you guys can kind of mimic it and get an idea of how I do it on Final Cut Pro. If you guys don't know what a YouTube cover intro is, I'm going to insert some clips so you guys can get the idea. So insert clip. Okay guys, so now that you guys seen my YouTube cover intros, if you guys are interested to know how to do it, definitely keep on watching this video. You know, give this video a thumbs up even though you don't know me. If you're new here, what's up girl? Thumbs up this video, okay? Like, okay, I'm done. Let's just get straight into this video. Okay guys, so for an intro of a cover, usually what I would write is basically the name of the song and the name of the artist and then cover. That's it. That's usually what I would do, but if you have like a different type of concept, you can definitely improvise and do whatever you want to do. So I'm just going to bring you guys over to my desktop, full screen. There won't be my face anymore. This pretty face is going to be gone, but it's okay. You guys get to learn something. So let's just get into the desktop. Okay guys, so first things first, you want to open up Final Cut Pro and then hit on File and then create a new project or an event or in library, depends on what you want to create. I usually go for a project, and then of course you want to type in the title of the video so that you don't get it mixed up. And then here are a few options where you can save your video at, and then go ahead and click OK. And then immediately after this, we're going to import the footage of the video. So click on this icon and then go ahead and search for the videos that your video is saved in, whichever folder it is, and then go ahead and click import. So once you've imported the video, go ahead and search for it and drag it down. So I'm just going to use an existing cover that I did, which is Jealous. If you guys have not watched it, definitely go watch it. And then what you need to do is basically listen to the instrumental intro part of the song, and then you want to hit cut right before you sing. So to cut the video, all you need to do is hit Command and B together at the same time at your keyboard, or you can also do it manually, which is what I'm showing you guys right now. So after you've cut the video, now we're going to add on effects into this specific clip of the video. So this button right here is basically the effects button, so click on it and then search for Gaussian, and this is the first filter that I apply on all of my intros. And then you want to search for Bad TV. This is also one of my favorites. It gives like the grungy effect, and then I also add on camcorder into the intro as well. So this is really cool. So now I'm gonna click on this like colorful icon to adjust the lighting. As you can see, it's really overexposed, so I use this to edit like all of my videos. When you see it has like a green hue or pink hue, like this is what I do. Like I just adjust everything on this part. So right now you can see all the filters that you've added into this clip, and then for camcorder you can actually edit like what you want the recording thing to say. Like I wanted to say Vanessa cam, so just type it, and then you can also adjust the battery level as well. So Final Cut Pro is actually a really cool app. So yeah. So So now that we've added the effects, we're gonna add in some text. So click on this icon right here, and as you guys can see, there's a bunch of options to choose from, so take your time, choose whatever you like. This is also one of my favorites. If you guys want to use that, you guys can, but the one that I use most of the time is called fade, and you guys can literally just search fade and this text will pop out. So literally just drag it down onto your clip and then literally just type the name of the song that you're doing a cover of, and yeah, it's actually really that simple. So let me just type real quick and I'm gonna be right back. If you guys want to change the color of the font, it's really simple. As you guys can see, I am literally changing the color because not everyone like reds and blues together. Like, yeah, you can do whatever you want, and that's the cool thing about Final Cut Pro. Play around with it. So this is how it looks so far, looking pretty good, but you can also change the fonts if you want to. Like, they have 2D and 3D styles. As you guys can see, I'm showing you guys. Fox 3D is actually really in right now, but the one that I use on my videos that I showed you guys is Offset. This is one of my favorite fonts to use. There you go, the secret is out. And I'm gonna add another effect which is called frame. This just makes the video look very like vintagey, very grungy. So yeah, that is actually it. That's how I do it. So to save the video, all you need to do is click on this button right here and save it to master default, and yeah, that's it. Alright guys, so as you guys saw, it was really simple to do an intro for your covers, and I did a different concept this time because my desktop is in a whole other room and I couldn't do like a screen recording and explaining type of thing, so I did like a voiceover. I hope you guys didn't mind, and I hope you guys still understood what I was trying to say. So yeah, now that you guys know how to do your intros for your covers, I hope you guys input it in your future videos. If you guys do, make sure to tag me down below, like tag the link of your video. Let me know, like I want to see, because I'm really happy that I'm helping a lot of you guys out there who are struggling, and I'm really happy to see like comments like, oh my god, like thank you, I was looking for this video, like I've been looking for this video in forever, like thank you girl. Like comments like this keeps me going, so thank you guys so much for still tuning in to my video. Okay, like I appreciate you guys so much. So if you guys did learn something from this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. I'm so close to 2,000 subscribers. It's all thanks to you guys, so make sure to keep on subscribing to my channel. Also comment down below what kind of videos you guys want me to do next, because I do have a lot of videos in stock, but I also want to know what kind of videos you guys want me to make, so definitely comment. And yeah, I guess that's basically it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic.